विकसित भारत बिल्डथन 2025 के उपलक्ष्य में मैं अरुण प्रताप सिंह, मेरी टीम द एनालिटिकल एवेंजर्स एक नया मॉडल प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। सेल्फ हीलिंग कंक्रीट हमारे भारत को समृद्ध बनाने में आशा करते हैं कि ये मदद करेगा। सेल्फ हीलिंग कंक्रीट इज अ न्यू वे ऑफ curing the cracks in concrete, which will eventually reduce the cost and make our country more sustainable and samriddh. Here, I will show you how it will work. First, as our topic name is self-healing concrete, our team, Analytical Avengers, I, with Vansh and we, presenting it. Our mandate is Samriddh Bharat. We are focusing on how we will make our country more Samriddh. It will be very durable, it will reduce the life cycle costs and also make our country more sustainable. Now, Vansh will explain you how concrete silent crisis.
As the backbone of our country, the infrastructure is making a silent crisis. As when we make pristine construction by standards, and even when a small crack forms, the water infiltration begins, which will eventually result in the structure failure and expensive repair cycle. And now we will explain.
As you can see these bar graphs, this small graph shows how Indian government spends money on making structures, and this big graph shows how Indian government spends money on the maintenance of those structures. But our model was helpful because it has 30% more lifespan, and it will reduce 40% money cost and also 8% carbon emission, which is caused by cements on making those big structures.
The corrosion catastrophe. As now I will explain the problem. When water enters the crack in the cement or the structure, it oxidizes the rebar, which eventually results in the rust. And when rust expands, the concrete spells, making the structure weak and vulnerable. And our project focuses on proactive way rather than reactive. In reactive, manual labor is deployed and the response may be delayed and it needs a very high cost. But now the autonomous, we will detect itself and it will heal instantly, which will become a scalable solution.
Our model, self-healing concrete, depends on the bacterial technology. We will add Bacillus subtilis, a species of bacteria which will react with the nutrient sources like calcium lactate and etc. to form calcium carbonate, limestone, which will eventually help to heal the cracks. Here, as you will see that when the bacteria is in the dormant state, when water seeps into it, it activates and then it will form calcium carbonate.